Okay guys, I'm back and I just showed you guys how I straighten my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I'm gonna do my makeup. I might go run an errand and go to the bank. So let's get started. So like always, I put lotion on my face. Those are the kids being cooked. I'm gonna use the new foundation brush that I got. So what I got is this little bag and I bought it at Ulta. It was on sale and it came with this brush, the foundation brush. It came with a little fan brush for like your highlight and this little cute brush. And it's the It brush for Ulta. It's like from the It Cosmetics. And it was only $10, so I bought it. I used this color by Stila, and it is the color, I think it's Isabel, I don't know, but I'm gonna give it another try and I'm just gonna put the foundation everywhere. I did notice that with this one it's a little bit it looks a little gray, but I don't know, maybe it's just me. We'll see how it looks on the camera. And you know what, I'm just gonna put it on my face. Whoa, I just made a cross in my head. You guys are gonna think I'm crazy. Okay. When you bless yourself with your own makeup. And just blend, blend, blend. So, yeah. That's what it looks like. I actually like the finish more with when I apply with the brush than when I do it with like the little Real Techniques beauty sponge. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some concealer just for fun. And I am gonna use, it's called Tarte Shape Tarte. It's this one. Don't mind that. It's a little dirty. And that one is in the color Honey Medium. I'll use this one and just blend it out. I think we have company over. Okay, so you guys can just see what I'm doing, which is just blending it out all over. And you know you're blending that shit real good when your freaking eye boogers is coming out. Okay, what a difference, right? I know. Okay, and then I'm gonna set it with the Fenty, what is it? Fenty blotting powder. Just gonna set it that way there's no creasing. Just like that. And then I'm just gonna go and get a random color, saffron color, and I'm just gonna put it on my crease like this. Like that. It looks a little crazy, but trust me, I'm gonna blend it. I'm not gonna leave it like that. And if I did, so what? It's on my damn face. It's good. So just blend, blend, blend. The key here is blending. Then we're gonna grab this. And just apply it And just wait a little bit because because it is like a metallic and it's wet. Just want to make sure you dry it. So I'm gonna just be looking down. I'm gonna already add my highlight, and it's Soft and Gentle by MAC. Okay. And we're looking down. Now I'm gonna get a different color. It's called Amber, and it looks like this. And that one I'm just gonna apply it right here. Like so. Ow. I think they laughed. Damn. Oh well. Just add more of the same color, the first one I put on here, which was saffron. Just add it again and just blend it. I'm gonna put more. Okay. And while I wait for it to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows now. So I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Brow Wiz, and the color Ebony. I'm gonna get this NYX matte eyeliner and just do my eyeliner. So I used to do my eyeliner every single day, and honestly for the last like past 3 years I don't do it every day anymore. I just do it when I put like bold colors on. So my eyeliner skills are not the greatest anymore, and I used to like wing my eyeliner. Oh, when you get sad thinking about it. Just kidding. But now I don't. No, I'm not really good at winging it anymore, so I'm not even gonna try. Or should I just do it? I guess I'll just do it, whatever. And now I'm gonna put my mascara. With this mascara, I don't even need to put like fake eyelashes. Not that I have them really long, but it makes it look like I don't need any. At least that's what I think. I'm gonna bronze a little bit my face, and I'm gonna put some blush on as well. And I'm gonna line my lip. I'm going to line my lips with my lip liner. So the color is Stripped Down by MAC. I'm gonna line my lips with that one, and then I'm gonna fill it in with the MAC 312 Impulse. It says Powder Kiss Lipstick, and the finish on this lipstick, it's matte. It's really nice. Let me show you. If there's one thing I would do to myself, like surgery wise, it would be to wait, there's a couple things. To do my lips, like not like put lip fillers in, but actually have a shape to get this double chin out of here. And what else? My boobs done, cause and my stomach. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Go out and buy this combination, because this is the best freaking combo I've ever created myself. And if you decide to go out and look for it, better remember who told you about it. Facts. Okay, so I'm gonna put some blush, and this is MAC Gingerly. It's the same one I used last time. And just put it on. And I'm gonna I have this NARS like bronzer. Don't worry, we're not gonna leave it like that. Get a little bit. And we're gonna do the nose too. And just blend it all out. You know, put them here, put it on. I always like to put some right here, because right here I feel like you can tell. Like I said, I don't have anything to do. I don't have any plans. Just gonna go to the bank really quick. And then what I also like to do is put a little bit of lip gloss on, especially for this weather, because it is like spring / winter. I don't know. I think it's winter, but it's really cold. So let me show you this up close. And I'm just gonna put some of this. That way my lips don't get chapped. And this gloss is by Kylie Jenner, and it is called Literally. Because literally you need to get this lip combo. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it, and go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to go ahead and subscribe, that would be great. And let me know if you guys want to see other like makeup looks, or what kind of videos you guys want to see.